I'd like to give you a quick run through of the updates that we've made to the calls dashboard. You'll see that the calls dashboard has been simplified and modernized quite a bit. The goal here was to make it easier to use and friendly for your mobile phone. We found that a lot of people were trying to use the calls dashboard and review their calls on the mobile phone, so we've done a lot of updates to make that happen. So you'll see here that it should feel very familiar. We still have a grid of calls. We still have the ability to choose a date, although these controls are much easier to use on a phone. And you'll see, though, that we've really condensed the columns down to just the key quick hits: the date and time of the call in Eastern Time, the caller ID, the county that the call was placed in, and the current cost. We also total that cost at the bottom, so this should all be very familiar. If you want to go ahead and just see the billable calls, and this was a much requested feature, all you have to do is check the box, and it will only show the calls that you're currently being charged for. You'll also see that there's a details link. This details link allows you to get to all of the other information about the call, such as the call recording and the notes. You'll see here that some of the details links are in boldface, and some of them aren't. If it's in boldface, that means that there's some notes that are there for you to review. If it's not, there are no notes. So let's go ahead and click in and see what one of these looks like. So when I click on this, you'll see that I get the caller ID, the time and date of the call, the cost, the zip code that the person entered, the county that they were in, and the destination number that was routed to. So that should be the number on your end. I also have a call recording that I can go ahead and listen to. So I can go and quickly listen to that call. We don't have to click through to another page. It's much easier to use, especially on your phone. You'll also see that we can have any notes that might be here. This is a test call. That's why it's showing a cost. I just wanted an example here. And I also have the ability to go and leave information. So I can update my notes here. So if I wanted to dispute a charge or leave any notes about the call, I just type right in there and hit save. Very easy. Now, the other thing is that this is all touch friendly. It's a little hard to show in a screenshot, but you can see that when it's condensed down to a mobile phone size, this is all still easy to use, and it should work great when you're on a phone. We still have the ability to export this to CSV, but we've consolidated all of your pausing and account management to a single page. So if I hit on Manage Account, I can manage all of my destination numbers, my email addresses, and my text notification numbers. So this should all feel very common. I can update my credit card on file, which will take you to the 33 Mile Radius website. But I can also go ahead and manage my pausing. So I can pause individual counties. I can unpause them if I would like. I can choose how long I'd like it paused for. And if I wanted to pause my entire account, I have that ability. I can also quickly view my account history, which will go ahead and give me a list of dates and times when my account or a particular county was paused. Again, the goal here is to just make this a lot easier to use. You can also see what your current account status is right up in the corner. If you have any additional questions, please go ahead and contact your account rep. We'd be happy to hear your feedback, and we're always looking to make this dashboard better for you. Thanks, and thanks for being a customer at 33 Mile Radius.